Good morning, student. I am Dr. Mahendra Ingole, Assistant Professor at Aryan College of Arts, Commerce and Science, ACS Bhadan, Pune. Today's lecture, we are going to learn about importance of marketing. It is a part of chapter 1. Good morning, student. I am Dr. Mahendra Ingole, Assistant Professor at Aryan College of Arts, Commerce and Science, ACS Bhadan, Pune. It's my third lecture on chapter 1 on the topic of importance of marketing. Importance of marketing. Marketing is an organizational function and a set of a process for creating, communicating, and delivering a value to the customers and for managing a customer relationship in way that benefits the organization and its stakeholder. To describe the importance of marketing, marketing is everything and everything is the market to deliver a higher standard of living. In this picture, we are saying that some people are creating a bridge that is called as a marketing to get the success in the market by any organization. With the help of marketing, they will get good sale of their product and having the good profit of from that sale. Let's start to learn about benefits of marketing. Marketing benefits can be divided into the two categories. One, benefit occurring to the manufacturer, individual firm. Second, benefit occurring to the society. Benefit occurring to the manufacturer and individual firm itself in earning and increasing a profit. Marketing is helpful in a business planning and decision making. Marketing is the source of a new idea. Marketing places the goods in the hand of the ultimate consumers. Benefits occurring to the society. Marketing is instrumental in improving the standard of living of the society. It's provide the employment. Marketing stabilize the economic condition. Marketing increases the national income. Limitations and disadvantages of marketing. Marketing increases the cost of the good and services. Marketing misallocates uncommon economic resources. Marketing makes human life commercial. Marketing involves too much competitive promotions. Marketing ignores ethical and moral consideration. Marketing advisor influence our environment. Key points of marketing ensures we get our goods and services to our customers effectively and efficiently, builds a maintain brand value and awareness, deliver profitable growth, builds customer value, enhance stakeholder values. Companies that focus on customers' need and deliver a great customer experience in more successful than those that do not. Simple criteria of marketing needed. Getting word out. For a business to succeed, the product or services it's provide must be known to potential buyer. Higher sale. Once your product, services, or company gets on the radar screen of your prospects, it increases your chances to consumer will make a purchase. Company reputation. The success of company often rests on a solid reputation. Marketing builds a brand name, a recognition, or a product recall with the company. Healthy competition. Marketing also care for a environment in the marketplace for a healthy competition. Marketing efforts to get the word out on pricing of a product and services, which not only reaches the future consumer but also reaches other companies competing for the consumer business. Considerations. Although marketing is hugely important for a business to succeed, it can also be a very expensive development of objectives. Marketing can be used to achieve a number of purposes such as increasing a sales, providing a information, or promoting a special event. So marketing is very important for every business. Any business can be stopped without any marketing. Thank you, student, for watching my lecture.